All right, Sawyer, you ready for your first food?
You want to try that? What is that?
Whoa.
Did you spit it out a little? Here, let's try another bite. You want to try? What do you think about that?
How do you like it?
Ready? He's like, I'll shovel it in with my hands. No need putting it in with a spoon.
You're a mess.
Oh my word. Here.
How is it? Do you like it? Is it good? Yeah. Does it make you smile? Wow, you got it all over the place, huh?
Wow. Oh, still got some in there, buddy. Gotta eat it. It's new. Is your face all messy? Want more?
Oh man, that's awesome. It's like in his nose and everything. You gotta eat it.
That's
It's like, I don't get it.
what he has to figure out how to do.
You got it everywhere, huh?
Oh. It's gonna touch your lens. Be careful. More? I don't know how much he actually ate, but